Welcome to another TechHelp Fast Tips video brought to you by windowslearningzone.com. I'm your instructor, Richard Rost. Today is a tip for the old school developers and programmers and computer users and people who still use the command prompt like me. I'm going to show you how to instantly open a command prompt in any folder using this simple Windows File Explorer trick. I just learned this one myself recently and I was like, what? So check this out. All right, so if you're an old school user like me, you use the command prompt a lot. And I keep a copy of the command prompt right here on my taskbar for easy access. There it is right there, okay? And it always starts in your user folder. And for those of you who don't know how to make this shortcut here, just go to your start button, type in CMD, and that will open up a command prompt. Again, there it is, okay? Once it's open, just come down here, right click, and go pin to taskbar. Right, mine's already pinned, so it says unpinned, but there it is. Now, here's the problem. If you want to go to some other directory, like let's say I want to go to this folder here, right, which is my, right, G, my drive, scripting, Python, right? So I have to come in here and go G, and then CD, my drive. Okay, where am I going now? I'm going to go to, and so on, right? You got to keep typing in CD this, CD that, or type in this whole thing correctly. It's a pain, right, moving around with the command prompt. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to open up File Explorer. I'm going to browse exactly where I want to be. Okay, so I'm in my scripting Python speech to text, which is another program I'm working on, right? Now, here's how you get the command prompt in this folder. Are you ready? Watch this. Click in this address bar and type in CMD. Enter. Boom. There it is. And it opens right up into that folder. I first discovered this. I was like, what? What just happened? Right? No more moving around through the folders using the command prompt itself. Right, want to go somewhere else? Go to My Drive. Right, go to your, I don't know, Spreadsheets folder. Where is it? Spreadsheets. All right, want to go here? CMD. Boom, it opens right up. That's off the screen, but there it is. See? And now you're in that folder. And that's it. It's super simple, super cute, and super easy to do. So that's it. That's your Tech Help Fast Tip video for today. Hope you learned something. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you want me to post more videos about Microsoft Windows, then be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and post a comment down below. Let me know that you want more Windows videos. About 90% of what I teach is Microsoft Access database design, but I love teaching Windows, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all those other topics too. But of course, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. So if you want more Windows training, make some noise. You can watch my entire Microsoft Windows Beginner Level 1 course absolutely free on my website and on my YouTube channel. It's over an hour long and covers all the basics. If you like Level 1 and want to learn more about Windows, visit my website at the link shown and you can get Level 2, which is another complete hour-long course, for just $1. Level 2 goes into a lot more depth and teaches you how to get the most out of Windows. Visit my website today for more information. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Windows or any of the other topics I teach like Microsoft Access, Word, Excel, and more, visit my website at windowslearningzone.com.